Hey everyone, Blackview created waves at MWC 2024 when it unveiled the Blackview Hero 10, the company's first clamshell foldable smartphone. By providing a foldable experience without the high cost associated with many foldable phones on the market, this gadget adopts a novel strategy. The Hero 10, which is expected to debut in May, has already attracted interest because of its comprehensive spec sheet being made public on websites such as AliExpress. With its 6.9-inch display that unfolds to expose 1080 by 2560 pixels of resolution and 1300 nits of brightness, this phone guarantees a vivid and engaging viewing experience. Impressively, Blackview emphasizes durability in addition to functionality, by claiming it can resist 250,000 folds. The front of the Hero 10 features a 32-megapixels camera cleverly hidden under a disguised punch hole, maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. On the rear, a prominent camera island houses a powerful 108-megapixels main sensor alongside an 8-megapixels ultra-wide shooter. This setup not only captures high-quality photos and videos, but also serves as the cover display for convenient access to notifications, messages, and calls. Powering the Hero 10 is the Helio G99 chipset, complemented by 12 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 gigs of UFS 2.2 storage. While it operates on 4G connectivity due to its Helio G99, the phone delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks and multimedia consumption. In terms of battery life, the Hero 10 packs a 4000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt fast charging, ensuring quick and efficient power replenishment. It runs on the Android 13-based OS 4.0, promising a seamless user experience with features tailored for the foldable form factor. Additionally, Blackview has confirmed an upgrade to Android 14 later in the year, enhancing the device's longevity and software capabilities. Noteworthy features include stereo speakers for immersive audio, NFC for convenient transactions, and a dual SIM slot for flexibility in connectivity options. Overall, the Blackview Hero 10 stands out as an affordable yet feature-rich entry into the clamshell foldable smartphone segment, offering consumers a compelling alternative in the foldable market. Blackview has confirmed that the Blackview Hero 10 will be available in 3 stylish color options: Sakura Purple, Eclipse Black, and a third color that isn't mentioned. All have a high-end vegan leather finish. This selection of materials fits with the tech industry's eco-friendly and animal-conscious practices, while still giving the device a luxury feel. Although the Hero 10's listing on websites such as AliExpress lacks a pricing, Blackview said at MWC 2024 that it plans to release the gadget for an approximate €399 price point. The Hero 10 is positioned as an appealing choice for customers looking for a foldable smartphone without going beyond budget, thanks to this pricing strategy. With its unique features, robust construction, and affordable price, the Blackview Hero 10 seeks to increase the accessibility of foldable technology for a larger range of users. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.